this nut, there has to be a ring. When it is not there, buy one, because that's important. Mark the hole in the rear shaft so it's in line. Then we take the HT rear nut, put Loctite on it, 243 or 638. Tighten it to 140 Newton meters. Take the split pin, bend it so it is secured. Then we take the 4 rings, or delivered with the set, the brace 1 and 2. Put it all on the rear nut. Take the brace, put it on the rear nut. Be sure all 4 rings are assembled. First the big ring, then the small one. Tighten it. The engines are casted in the fabric and milled afterwards, but aren't all the same. That's why we deliver 4 shims with this set. We take the brace, pulling them to the rear wheel, and measure it, and we come to 2 millimeters. Then we pull it away and we measure again 3 millimeters. So the difference is 1 millimeter. So for this example, the brace has to go a half millimeter to the rear wheel. So we deassemble it and pick 1/2 millimeter shim away. We take away the brace. We had to remove a half millimeter. The thin ones are in half and the thick ones are 1 millimeter. We put the others back. We attach the brace. Important, we always use all 4 shims, so this one has to be laid on top. Put the big ring on it. Use Loctite. Put it together. Assemble it and tighten it to 20 till 25 Newton meters. And then we're ready to mount the exhaust. When you buy our HT360 exhaust downpipe, you get these parts included. 2 gaskets, 2 longer bolts with rings, springs, and 2 spacer rings. These are important because our downpipe can be used with the HT2 brace. We decided to make one universal product. So when you don't use the brace, you use these and put them on the axles mounting. So when you use the brace, don't use these. Our downpipes are delivered with 2 O-rings. These are for better fitment because all the engines aren't the same. So not only to close the downpipe, but it's more for the universal use for all engines. So you always be sure my downpipe works. We use liquid gasket to seal extra and be sure you can use it for long term. A little bit extra on it. Then put the downpipe straight on the O-rings, not like this because you damage the O-ring, or like this you can damage it. Be sure on the right way and put it on. So we start to tighten the longer bolts with the ring on the engine. Not tighten too tight, a little bit loose, so all So first tighten the springs. Not too tight, a little bit loose. Then to the back. And then tighten it very well. Last time. And you're ready to go.